company financial statements. Yes, this is the topic which is giving you a level of confidence that now you are done with your sole proprietorship accounting, partnership accounting, and now this is the time to learn about the company style of business. We know very well that company style of business means a large scale business entity. Okay. So in this module, we will be focusing on the components of the financial statements which are required for company style of business entities. When we say company style of business, it is in fact the business which is governed by the law, okay, prevailing in the country, obviously. So in most of the countries, in fact, the thing is that they are now adopting IFRS. They have adopted this. IFRS means International Financial Reporting Standards. So in company style of business, we in fact report our financial statements in accordance or in compliance with the requirements of International Financial Reporting Standards. So according to International Financial Reporting Standards, our first statement is statement of financial position. Okay. Then statement of profit or loss and other comprehensive income. Okay. And then statement of changes in equity, then statement of cash flows, and finally the notes. All right. So these are in fact the 5 components of financial statements which we prepare in compliance with IFRS for company style of business entities. Well, this company style of business entity means a large business entity which is having complex financial information or transactions or events and conditions. Well, after doing accounting for all these complex financial information or accounting phenomena, now we have to take special care in terms of its reporting. So these financial statements are in fact the reports that we have to generate for the users of the financial information. So in a way, this is the final step that we have to achieve for this reporting purposes, where we prepare the financial statements for the users. In this final step, for our operational results, we prepare statement of profit loss and other comprehensive income. We will abbreviate it as SOPL and OCI. Okay, so this abbreviation you should keep in your mind. And when we say financial position, we prepare statement of financial position, SOFP. We will abbreviate this statement of financial position with this SOFP. Okay. And then for the cash flows, we prepare statement of cash flows. Okay. SOCF. So these are in fact the components of financial statements that we prepare in compliance with the requirements of IFRS. All right. So in the upcoming modules, we will see that how to present our financial information in these set of financial statements. So your attentions would be required in upcoming modules. Thank you.